Hello everyone, so this is Muhammad Amin, and in this AI website builder. Actually, I'm a programmer. I usually, when I do programming or when I try to make websites for my clients, I always do the thing from zero to the end because I like to do that. But when I use the AI website builder, I found that I can give it a rating of 9.5, and I'll tell you why. Actually, when I used this thing and I offered, or just like when I showed that to my friends, to everyone I know, they said to me, which professional company made to you these things? Or how did you make them? Or they are beautiful. So I got a lot of comments like this. So the builder was really, really amazing in translating all what I said to it to just like a website that really suits my business. We will, in this video, showcase some of the websites I made, and I want you to give me your opinion about it. And also, we will try to make one from zero, just like not from zero, I mean from zero, just like we will give the AI some information and we will make it do his own website. And then we will do some edits. In these edits, I will try to give you some pro tips. The other thing, if you finish this video to the end, you will have three things, like three giveaways. The first one, I wanna everyone who will buy this hosting plan, any hosting plan on Hostinger, using the link in the description, I'll give him $10 cashback on his PayPal. But all what you need to do is actually to follow the instructions in the PDF shown in the description below. The other thing, I also want you to try your hands and to try to make a website by the AI website builder. The best design I'll see in the comments. I'll also give him a $50 giveaway. So the $50 giveaway will be only given to one user. I know this is not a big money, or this is not a lot of money, but in the next videos, inshallah, we will make more giveaways. The last thing, you will also find a coupon code. You will put this code and you will directly save 10% out of what you will pay for any hosting plan. So let's see what we can do with all what we said.
All right, everyone. So as you see, this is the homepage for my Hostinger uh, subscription, and these are the websites I made. And let me show you how the AI helped me to do these websites in a time, like a maximum time of 30 minutes and a minimum time of like 5 minutes. You can have a personalized website and do, or just like put some of the editing after that, maybe step by step, but it will not take you a lot of time to make a website that can convince people that this is a professional website. So this is the first website. Let me show you how this website is working, and I will open this website in another browser. So as you see, the website is very convincing that this is a tomato shop or something. I actually chose that name. I can also put a logo here. And these are 3 pages. I told the AI to make them for me. The Tommy Mums is actually, this is a slogan I chose, or I no, the AI chose that for me. I just put this little picture here, and also in the mobile version, I tried to edit the image a little bit, so you put it in a different situation or you put it in a different position, but this will not take except dragging the item to the place you want. Here is the shop now, and I also put this just like idea. I imagine that this will be better. I don't know what is it for you, but this is how I see it. So if I press shop now, it will take me to a new link. In this new link, you will see the shop. And the shop, as you see, has all the products that the tomatoes shop sell. Of course, there are different kinds of tomatoes. If you don't know, there is the grape tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and a lot others, so these are also a testimonials I put, just like to motivate the person to click on the uh, product, and if he clicked, he will get an image like this. I can also scale this image to fill the empty places here, and I can add to the bag, so I can add this like 1 kilo or something. I also can put the right amount. Here we can't accept it because I didn't set up the payment yet, but if I set up the payment, just like it's also a click of a mouse, you will set up a payment, like you will put your email, PayPal email, and everything will work fine. So let's go back to the home page. In the home page, I also put something I feel like it will be beautiful also, that thing, you know.
So you can enjoy the full taste of Muti tomatoes. Muti, one family, one passion, tomatoes.
All right, so this is something for the viewer, just like when he reaches this section of my page, he will see a video that will be a little bit interesting and exciting. So this is the first thing I made with the AI. Also, you can like reduce the space here. That will be, I think, more elegant. But all of these things, as we will see in the next part of our video, how all of that is just like a click of a mouse. Also, let me show you another website I made. So let's close these ones and maybe go to that one. So I'll open here again and let's see. So yes, the idea of this thing, actually, this is my YouTube channel here. And the YouTube channel, as you see, it has a purple color. I like the purple, and it has a slogan here. And this is the channel, these are the videos. I wanted people to go to my website where they can maybe see me like a brand or something, or maybe to see my work, see some posts. I can also add a blog here. If I want to write some articles, maybe some coupons that I want to give for the audience, maybe a PDF file that I want people to answer, or I want people to learn something from, a free gift, for example. So having your own website that supports your channel is also a good thing. As you see, the website was made in like 5 minutes, and I took like 20 minutes just to edit some things like playing with the colors a little, giving the website the colors that I like, and making this nice hover thing. And here also is the same idea that you saw before, but in this time it looks like a playlist or something, or a carousel of videos. And this is good because this is a YouTube channel, so it must focus after the main section on my YouTube videos to show directly the audience or my viewers or my user or the people who view my YouTube channel, who am I and what I'm doing. Also, here are the customers. I can like replace these images with real people who commented on my YouTube uh, videos, and I put the comments here. It will be also nice here if they want to, of course, contact with me. They can leave their uh, their their contact details here, and I will be able to respond to them, or just like send them new courses, new updates about my videos and things like this. Here also are the courses. This thing, I can manage to make it more beautiful or more resourceful. Like I can put here real courses with real money, just like for only the memberships of my YouTube channel, or if I made a course, like I had a course before on Udemy where I could get like 10,000 students to reach my course and watch it, and this is actually proved in one of my videos on YouTube. But if I want to make this thing premium and get all the money for myself without needing for a third party platform like Udemy, if I don't need a third party platform like Udemy, well, I can return people from the channel through the description link to here where they can watch the videos, the premium ones, and this page will have a password. So I will send the password for whoever is allowed to see my courses, something like this. I have to think more about the functionality and the security system that I can depend on, that maybe you can do something like this. I'm sure that there is a solution given by Hostinger for it. And of course, this is the contact us page where you can add a touch about how you try to perfect your work and give people a little slogan like this. Also, the AI has helped me a lot in making all of that. He has put all of these things without the need for me to tell him anything. Even I told him in the description, where when I described to him my AI website, I give him an address, and it could just like get me the place, and all I need to do is like a little configurations to put the real address in the edit page. So the last one I want to show you is actually this one. And this one, I exerted a lot of effort in making it. Just like it took me like 40 or 45 minutes, but look how it is. So this Frooks is about free books or something like this. So I made it with these beautiful images. I got the images from something called the free images source, something Hostinger provides to you when you edit your website. And I put these like these things, these books for sale. You can of course add them to the bag like this. You will have a stock and you will have a status. If it's new, it will be a like more expensive, and here it is cheaper. I can add to the bag, and now I have this book in the bag. Here are the happy customers again. Here are some of the books with a way like how is the shipping, how is the hardcover, how is the online, and here's the contact us page. So if you went to the shipping, you will find like two images where you can write something about the shipping for the hardcover and for the a nice way for affordable shipping. And this is the library where you can find the books and buy whatever you need. Just like put also this book, add it here. So now you have two books. And this is a nice section where I tell the people about my amazing books, or maybe I can put here some images for real books and get some quotations from them and put them on the side like this. So this will be very good. So I think that this website is very beautiful for me, and you can feel like it is professional. You don't feel like this is an artificial or fake something. You can really go deep in that and put your website, and you will see now when we move to the next part of our video how I can make this in only 5 minutes. So let's go and see how we can do that. So let's start making our website. I'll go to add a website, and you will have the WordPress here and Hostinger website builder. So we will choose the Hostinger website builder, and I'll choose the business plan that I have, which has an annual subscription, and select the plan. Of course, you can choose the monthly plan if you have one, but this is the annual plan that I have subscribed at. And here the website builder is ready to start making our website. So we will start creating it. Here you will write the brand name, the website type, and the description. I already chose a website name, which is Game Verse, and I also made the AI here also, just like it's a tool I have to help me in choosing a description for my website. So I give it uh, some order, like to give me a random website in a random niche or something. So let me take this from here and put it here. So this is the description, but I want a page for my blog about gaming. I want a page to sell PC games and console games. So here I give it like these are the pages that I want you to put, like in addition to the home page, of course, and the contact us page that will appear to you in any website you will make. So now we have a blog, we have a store, and we have a description for our website, and we have a name for the brand we will work on. Here also there are some personalization settings, like how do you want the style? Do you want it minimal? Minimal is just like it's very simple website, but you don't want that. These are games, so you want it like elegant or bold. But in this case, I'll let the AI surprise me. And for the colors, of course, it can surprise you, but also you can have your color palette. This is the color palette that I always have a tendency to have, like the purple, even like my YouTube channel, and the dark and white. These are the group of colors that I like personally, but you also can choose other palette. Here I'll also choose surprise me, and let's create our website. Okay, so it created for me this beautiful website. I don't think it is bad. Well, it is good. This image, I think it will appear, but it's downloading. Yeah. Well, this is not a bad website, except for the background image, or the background, sorry, the background color. I'll show you now how to change the background color. And also, I'll change that to a very beautiful design for the image. So it is not a bad version for the website. Let's see the blog. It didn't make a contact page. That's strange, but it has. We have a blog and we have a shop, and we can also add pages like easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is the blog. It wrote for us two content, uh, two blog contents, and as you see, this is how we will develop this blog to have more content. So as you see, we have also a shop, and let's see what's in the shop. And yep, we have a shop that specifically like selling the things that we have set to the API, just like adventure games, bestseller, multiplayer games, racing games, popular PC games, and things like this. So this is the homepage, and let's now edit the site. If I don't like it, and if I don't like the style and everything, I can go back again to the AI form, and it has saved the description that I made, and it can change this layout for me. It can give me another layout, another color palette, and everything. But let's edit this site, and I'll show you how we can like edit any website and make it very beautiful. So let's go to this page here because I don't like it. Sorry, this image. I don't like the layout for it. I'll go to edit image and I'll go to the shape, and let me choose the shape that I always like to give for my website. Things like this are very, very beautiful. So I will leave that one here, and look how modern and fashionable it became. So now this is untraditional shape that I can have from my site. This is join, and this join button, I can also give it a link, like it can go to my store, it can go to a contact page, maybe anywhere I want. So maybe I'll go to the shop, but maybe later we can create another page that can go to the contact us, and it will go to it just like to subscribe. Or maybe also it can direct you to here to subscribe to our newsletter. So if I want that, I'll go to a section and I'll tell it which section. No name section. So I didn't name my sections, and or we didn't have the chance to do that. So you have to just like name your sections first. We go to this section and edit the section. This is the background, this is the layout, this is the anchor. The anchor name here will give your section a name. So this one, I'll give it a newsletter, okay, like that. And I'll go back forward, and I'll now edit the button, and I'll go to the general, and here I'll choose the section. We have now newsletter in homepage. So by this way, if I pressed here while I'm previewing or while I am going live, it will take me to the subscription newsletter section. So now let's make some like main changes to this website. For example, the first thing I can do is like editing the website styles. This color, I really don't like it, and I like if it was like black, maybe black is a good color, maybe white, maybe purple, but let's like choose another color. I think it will be orange. Also is it's not that bad, you see. It is not so bad, but it's like too gloomy a little bit. So let's change that to another thing. I think we will make it this time like maybe green or something. Well, this is far better. Of course, mostly I prefer the purple and the black, but here this is not a bad choice too. Also for the buttons, I can change them from here, or I can directly go here and change everything. I guess I will make the color style or the button style for my website is like it's rounded. The buttons should be rounded. I don't know if it will respond to that or not. It didn't respond up to now, but maybe it will, I'm sure. And also, let's see the colors. So the color for my buttons, I see that they are orange. So I'll change this orange because I want them to look like maybe black. Black is not bad for uh, for the color, because especially the text is already white, so I can change that also to black. Well, this is far better. don't like mix a lot of colors in your website. This will make it doesn't look very beautiful. So now I have the green and the black color, and let me also show you another tab. Like this button, it has a black color, but if I made like this and I choose like hover, I want the hover just like when I come to the mouse here, I want the hover to be a different type. So the text color will stay the same, but I'll change that to, well, let's make the fill color to be white and the text color to be black. So this means that I will flip the things, you know. So let's see. As you see now, it is getting flipped. This is not the best I can get actually, but there are more different ways to colorify your website and the hover and things like this. I'll let you choose these colors by yourself, but now you know how you can choose the right color for your website. Maybe I'll make it like a degree of green or something like this, but this will not be good. Oh, this is actually not the fill. So the fill will make the fill look like, well, I'll leave it like this. It doesn't have to change. Text size, I like the text size to be a little bit bigger, and also like there is no border. The corner radius, I'll change them since the layout didn't change them yet, like that. I'll save. So now we have this. Maybe it's not the best thing, but this is how I want to tell you that you are able to choose different things, different styles, and to style it as much as you want. The fill color is like this, the text color is like this, and here is the image. And now we have the sections. Maybe we like these sections, maybe we don't like this section, so we can delete it from here. Maybe I don't like this image, so I can edit the image and replace it. I can upload an image that I want or get a free image from here. So I'll get an image from this online gaming, sorry, online image service for free. I think this is coming from Pixabay. It's a website that can give you free images. So maybe we can take image like this one. I like this one. Well, this is not bad. So here is the contact section. We don't have to make a separate one. It's okay. We can leave it like this. Also, I will show you a very like elegant other one. I'll make a section for the video so that people come and see like a video once they come to this place, and the video will play once they come. So I'll choose a YouTube video. So gaming promo. Well, something like this. Maybe something about Assassin Creed Valhalla. Uh, I want the trailer, yes. And I'll take the link and I'll give it to this video here. And now I have that. I'll make it autoplay, but it will not loop. And I'll show the video controls if anyone wants to stop this video or something like this. Now I will save and I will have this beautiful content on my page. I also change the section color. Like I'll make the color, take the green again, or maybe the black. The black will be fine also. White is not so good. So I'll choose to be black because I like my colors to be like one like this and one like this. So also in the about, maybe I'll leave the about. I'll change this here. Let's go to the mobile also because sometimes we have to do something for the mobile. And as you see here, the image is overlapping the text, but we can just like deal with that, like give this more space, and the changes you make in the mobile will not affect uh, your PC or your laptop image, so it's okay. So now we have solved the matter, and here we have the home page, the services section, PC games and everything. And these are the colors. I guess I don't need this section. This section is not so good. So I'll get enough of this section. But also I may change some other sections so that I don't like the whole color to be green like this. So I'll choose this to change. I'll edit section, the background color, I'll make it white. So if it's white like that, well, it's not bad as white, you know. If this one also became white, it will not be bad, you know. It's green and white, and even this one, I'll make it like green also. We will get back to the green again, and here it will be white. I like to be a color and color, you know, white and green, white and green, white and green. By this way, it will get a nice website. So this is my website, and here is the blog. As you see, this is the post editing, and as you see, the buttons are rounded. It's good that the buttons are rounded now. You know, buttons colors are very beautiful actually, and but I don't know from where this color comes. You know, it's like I need to change the color for the button here. So I guess this can come from here, maybe. These are some features for the blog. Just like everything is a click of your hand, there is no need to do a lot of things. It can be light, it can be dark like this, background, image, layout. Okay, but I guess there is no way now to access the button. This is not a good thing. It's a defect, but it's okay. There are many other things that is good about that. You can also here choose a logo and put it here, but he made a logo for you. If you don't like it, you can use an AI logo and create it your own self to make the logo wider like this. And the menu item spacing, well, they are at the maximum. That is not bad. You can also make the shopping list big, or you can also just like do not enable it at all, but you need it, so you will leave it. So I guess this is not a bad way to make a website. As you see, the website is a little bit, I think it's a little bit professional. It will not be bad if you have a website like this, and there are many things in it. Let me also show you something here. You can navigate through the pages, and you can put this page like here, and the blog at the end, so you can control where the pages are. These are the colors, and these are many services from the AI, just like AI image generator, logo, or writer if you want to write an article through the AI, and a lot of other things. So we have made some steps here. You can also continue and do these steps. These steps are actually like the main basic ones. That's why he is giving you some marks, because he wants you to go and change them, because they will be the most important things, and they will define how your website will work after that. So I like this result. I like the way AI is working, and I like the features that you can have. So I guess I can recommend that you choose something like this. And you see, it gives you a very personalized website for you that you can depend on in creating content, telling people about yourself, and things like this. And everything that you see is a step away uh, from your what you choose. Just like if you want to change this, if you want to make anything, I guess I'll make this also hovering like in the purple color, because I started to like the to go back to the purple thing, you know. Yeah, like this, but the text color in this case will be still white. So as you see, it is not bad, you know. If you come here, you will find all the colors you choose. I choose a new color, so it has come here. And by this way, I can go to
something like this, and I can edit the form, I can edit the button, I can choose the same fill color. I'll find it here, so I'll just press like this, and it became the same color as my hover here. So that's very cool, actually. As you see, this is not a bad one, not a bad website, but let me show you something, because now we have no publicly visible products. I guess we didn't came here before. So let me choose to you how we can manage the store. Once I press here, I will go to the store, and directly it has prepared for me some like some games that the viewer can purchase. So once I press this and say manage store, I will directly be taken to the store. And once I name it, for example, Amin Games, and continue, I'll select the country, like the country is Saudi Arabia, of course. I leave the dollar and continue. Now he's creating the store for me. By this way, up to now, if you went back to the website, I will find that the products are there. But let me also show you how you can create a product or add an online payment. For this one, I leave you try with it, because it's not at all hard. You'll only need to add your PayPal, and people can purchase things and send you the money on PayPal. But there is another way about adding products. Products, maybe they are digital, for example. So I'll drop an image here. I prepared this image. So now I'm selling the wall crafting, and I'll give it a name, I'll give it a subtitle. I'll generate a description for this. Just I'll tell it this is wall craft game description, and I'll let the AI show the content for me. As you see, it wrote the content as easy as that. So there will be a back button for this product. Yes, there will be. This is the price 24. The discount price is 20, and I will let it track quantity. I'll say that I'll have 40 CDs out of these. And here you can also put some brochures or PDF files about your product, or about a catalog for all the things that you sell on the website, and just save. Now, if I went to the website, I'll find that in the shop, now I have a lot of products to pay. I even have a pagination like this. Once I click on two, it will get me the product that I have just put. And there is a ribbon here that's saying that this is new, because I didn't choose it in front of you, but you can choose that, of course. I'll show you how now. So this is the page where the product will be present. As you see, it will not be very complicated, because if you want more complicated thing, you have to go to a WooCommerce company, actually, to be honest with you, to do more about this. But if you want it that simple, you are not a big, like a, like a big store or a wholesale store that's selling a lot of things. Well, this will serve your needs, and you will not pay like more than $50 or $60 annually. This is amazing. You don't need more than this. You just like it's for free. You will not need to create like a lot of things. So the ribbon here, as you see, it's new. I can also say it's used, and if I set used, it will save like this. You also can put a category. I'll go to edit the website, and let's see what will happen. So if it's used, see what will happen. Well, so it's written here. So choosing a ribbon is okay. You can also write nothing in the ribbon. It will not be shown. If we came to the mobile, you will find like it's not that it's very beautiful here actually, but here you will find that this is not good, because I don't need all this space. I'll get this here. Yeah, so like this, maybe it will not be bad. And now I changed the way it is looking. Here is the homepage again. This is how my website appears for people. Here is the video, and let's see now how this thing will be when I press preview or something. I'll go live before that. and I'll view the website. Wow, it's amazing. Guys, this is amazing. Much time did we take to make this website? Absolutely nothing. And the video here is working fine, as you see. Everything is working fine. The contact page is there, the whole website images are there. Actually, I will change it. I don't like it. Like it has to be as black as that. Maybe the color should be a little bit lighter, but it doesn't have to turn into purple. So maybe I can go back and change that, but not in the video, of course. So as you see, I have everything here. If I went to the shop, I'll find all the things that I'm selling. And by the way, this is now live. So the website is already can be seen. If you went to this domain name, you will find it. Of course, you can choose a domain for your website. This is the fascinating shop I have, and I can go next and previous like this. And here at the blog, where I can have some content that I wrote about, the top 10 must play online games, for example, and start to convert more content, put in more images and things like this inside my blog post. There is actually a like here, your blog, you will find a tab for it here. And if you want to create a post, you will not create it directly here. You will go to here and you will start creating your post. You also can put images and everything. It will be fine. Um, you can write skip. I will write it myself if you don't want the AI to help you. And start writing here. You start generating image. Of course, you can, as we said before, you can replace the image and get a quick image from here. These are very 4K images. They are not bad. And start posting your content. You can add like elements like a button here that someone may interact with the content and press the button. So there's everything. You can write everything in the post. You can even put your own code. Look, you can embed a code inside it. You can put a contact form. You can put a product search thing. Everything you want will be there. You can put a video, Instagram feeds. So you can develop the post as much as you want. You can also put images if you want to put another image here, for example, and you want to get more space and put the image here, for example, that people can see something, and you can write the text here, for example. Look, you can put text here and say, for example, number one, I'll say Call of Duty. Like this. So this is Call of Duty, and start writing the other content here. Put the text, for example, but edit the text and make it a paragraph and AI writer. Let it write for me like Call of Duty summary in 3 lines because I don't want it too big. Sorry. Let's see. Aha, I think I reached the daily uh, usage limit for using the AI today. That's why I guess it's not writing for me. Whoop, yep, it wrote. Sorry for that, but it wrote for me. So here it is. So we have content now. Maybe it's very big, so I only leave this one. So now I have the content, I have everything. The post is being made, and once I finish, I'll say update website. So I saved and I updated the website, and let's view the website here. Go to the blog, and I have these two. But why I didn't have the other one? Because I still didn't publish it. I must go here and say publish. If I made that and I updated the website again and refresh the page, I will find that we have in the pagination
Another website that's written, the other image is awful, I know, but I can change this image, of course, you know. So here it is. Here's everything we made. I don't know where the image went, but it is here. It will, yeah, it will appear. It was having a paid animation. So that's it. I made a website and look how much time did we take to make it. I hope you try that your own self and put your design in the comments and I'll see it, and the best one, as we said before, will take his giveaway. Thank you.
Thank you a lot for watching. If you watched it up till here, I hope you subscribe in the channel and activate the bell. And of course, I'll keep doing more videos in order to help people who are stuck in some of the hurdles of the tech. Thank you a lot for watching.